rainy, messy night. So we're gonna pull this dash out of here. Let's see. Okay, just regular start it. Regular screwdriver here. Okay. Screwdriver. Regular screwdriver. Also a star tip. So let's see. Get him. Let it go. The light facing that way in my eyes. Kids, pop this off. Actually, first thing, turn that key and then pull your knob, your selector all the way back. We can get in there a little bit better. Pop that little cover off. See, I've already destroyed that pretty much already. Okay, next, I need to get to back side up here. Now you do have your cigarette lighter plug here. Pop out, so it gets that out of the way. Alright. Now, technically, you pull your radio out of the way and then you can unscrew these and pull it that way. But I saw some that had a short. All I had to pull was the was this one here, up and out of the way, and you could get to it. Thing is, you gotta remove the screws up there. I gotta find me a stubby. Ugly and rainy. Man, I'd like to get on to doing other things. First of the year, I'm gonna start doing the drones. There you go. I'm gonna start flying. I need to start flying daily. At least a half hour. Every day. A battery. There's a battery amount. Okay. And it's 6 o'clock at night here. Okay. So those we're getting here from where, do I? Because it's gonna see what all's gonna come out of here. Is one piece. Right. Kind of light something. Work in the dark. It's only 5 o'clock, you know. Will come out. Get out of here. Okay, up into that. There we go. And this one doesn't let go. It's the whole schnazzle here. You got your light adjustment right here. Break it loose, but undo it. Yep, I can get right to that. You get your emergency lighting here too. For your emergency. Comes back to. So you got two things. That's your emergency flashers, and then on that side you got your lighting adjuster right there for your dash. My hat light. Get my hat light too, but definitely getting duller here. Something to push that. That actually came out, so we'll go to there. Actually, high enough and out of my way. Yeah, of course not. Of course not. Why would it do that? Yep. Getting pretty dull. Let's see. It just pulls out. No. There's a way to do it. Right, seeing it. What's holding you there? On the bottom, I can't see. Yep. Okay. Stay slow. Where's my next one? Okay. Yeah, I know it's on the bottom down here. You gotta release it. Alright, here we go. Okay. One front panel is loose. Alright, back seat you go. Alright. Okay. Yeah. Let's go get what I need to get. Where's that wire? There it is. Okay, I got it. Okay. What you're looking at is the now, what you want is that yellow wire. As you can see, I've already got it cut, because I'd cut it way back, and I put in a switch just like they said. Well, then I went and got a new key switch, and I decided to go ahead and plug it back in. So, with that said, let's disconnect this. And this will disarm the anti-theft system. Okay. Now you can plug in a switch eventually if you want. Alright, unfortunately now I gotta get wet because I gotta put the battery back in. So stay tuned. Oops. It's changed.